So this is our official Docker image for Jenkins instance. Let's use this image and try to spin up our Docker container. So we are running this command to create our Jenkins instance. I'm using docker run -d. -d is for running this as a background process. Using -p, I'm exposing the port 8080 of my Jenkins instance to my local machine. I'm also mounting a volume in my current directory. I'm mounting the complete Jenkins home so that I can restart the container as many as times I want, and my changes will be persisted. And finally, this is the Jenkins image which I'll be using. So I'm using Jenkins LTS image. Whatever is the latest version of Jenkins is there, it will come up. So let's run this command. So this has started container in the background. I can just copy this container ID and see the logs of it. So you can see it has started my Jenkins container. Let's do a follow as well. So it is doing something in the background, and it has also given me a initial setup password. So let's copy this. We'll be needing this, as I already forwarded port 8080 to my local machine. So I can just run it using localhost 8080. Yeah, I can see my Jenkins instance now, and it is asking me for initial setup using the initial admin password. I will just provide the password here. After putting my admin password, it is asking me to do some basic installation steps. So let's go with the default selection. Now it will install some default plugins which are needed for the basic Jenkins setup. Once this is done, I will install one more plugin, which was Job DSL plugin. This will take some time depending on your internet speed. So I'm just pausing the video here. Let's connect back once this is done. Welcome back. So all my plugins are now downloaded, and after the plugin download has been finished, it will give you this screen to create your first admin user. So let's quickly create our first admin user here. I will just name it admin. You can give your desired password here. Name also I'm keeping admin. I'm just giving some dummy email ID and just saving it. So once you will save it, it will ask you for your default Jenkins URL. For now I'm keeping localhost 8080 only, because I'm not mapping it behind any DNS name. And let's start using Jenkins. Setup is done, and you can see this is the initial Jenkins page which will come up. Right now I have nothing in here, so it is asking me to create a new job here.